Start.
Hello everyone, this video is the part of our AC project. Our project name is Automated Plant Watering System, given by Dr. Ramesh Vaddi sir from the Departments of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am Bhupen from the Department of Computer Science, and these are my teammates.
I am Indra from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
I am Somnath from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Start.
I am Pankaj Kumar Sahu from Department of Computer Science Engineering.
Let's demonstrate what the circuit does. I am handing to Somnath for the explanation of circuit.
I am introducing about the component of whole project. This is Arduino Uno, and it is a microcontroller board based on 14 digit input-output pins. It is an open source hardware hardware design, and this is our breadboard, which has all the connection will be occurred. This is our relay. It is an electronical operated switch, which is an inductor which does the working turn on and turn off of the motor, and it also control the circuit by low power signals. And it is our water pump 5 volt, which is used to supply the water to the plant, also soil. And this is our moisture sensor. It sends the moisture from the soil and sends into the Arduino. And this is our resistor to 220 volt, 220 ohm is required, and it also required BJT for the connection of the wires. And these are some soil, and all the things are in our table. And then
To demonstrate how the moisture sensor works and what is the code of moisture sensor. Pankaj will explain what the soil moisture sensor does and what is the code of soil moisture sensor.
Here this is the program for soil moisture sensor, and here we are using void setup. The void lay in the function, and this is the setup function. Setup function will only run once after each reset of the Arduino board. And this is the void loop, and this is the analog read, which read the analog signal from the specific pin, and the A0 is which is the specific pin. And here we are using serial println, which print the data from the serial port. And this is the delay function, which pauses the program for the amount of time in millisecond.
And we are going to upload it in Arduino to demonstrate you how the soil moisture sensor works. Let's upload it. And Arduino code is uploaded in the Arduino, and now I am giving the moisture to the soil moisture sensor. Please open the serial monitor to show what is the input. Now the moisture sensor is not detecting the moisture, it shows 1030, which is the highest value of print. When I insert the probes into the soil, it changes the value and detects the moisture. If I again insert the probe into the different region, then it will again show some different values of this moisture. Now we are doing the modification of this code to use map function. Pankaj will explain you what is the code.
Taking the help of function called map function, which allow you to essentially map analog read signal which goes from 0 to 1023, and second variable called humidity soil. And first thing we introduced, which is map. humidity is low when it is 1023 and high when it is 0, and this is the percent created from 0 to 100.
Thank you, Pankaj, for demonstrating soil moisture sensor. And for further the circuit detailing or how the circuit connections are done, I hand over to Indra Vijay.
So we have connected diode. One terminal diode is connected to one terminal of the emitter, and another terminal of diode is connected to another collector terminal of the BJT, and the resistor is connected to base of the transistors, and we are giving V input from the Arduino here, and this input is given to the relay, and base of the ground is Arduino transistor connected to the ground of the Arduino, and we are giving 5 volt to the motor from the Arduino. So see here, we have connected. This is a 3 mode pin of the relay, and this is 2 mode pin of the relay. This pin is connected to V input, and this pin, red pin, connected to emitter terminal BJT, and this one of the pin is connected to motor to supply the water which turn on the motor. One pin of the motor is connected to V input, and another pin is connected to the ground. This will turn on the motor when it detects the moisture. When the moisture sensor detects the moisture which is not up to our moisture level, and moisture sends signal to the Arduino. Arduino will turn the motors. Arduino will send the signal to relay. Then relay automatically turn on the motor, and when the humidity level is up to our range, across our range, then relay automatically switch off the motor, and all the arrangement we have made for our project. It is not so difficult. It is a very easy to make the connection. Requirement of jumper wire, because jumper wire make connection easy. We not use like that wire. We are having shortage of wire, so that we are using such type of wire. Using jumper wire is more satisfiable to us. So it arrangement.
ये फाइनल हो रहा है ना.
Now it is the soil moisture sensor, and it has analog, digital output, analog output, ground, and VCC. And I have to connect VCC to 5 volt and ground to ground, and analog pin to A0. And I am connecting A0 pin and this ground VCC to 5 volt and ground to the ground of Arduino, which is situated here. As you can see, there is a one ground also, one ground here. Please focus on that. And now I am inserting it to the soil where there is no moisture. As you can see here, it is no moisture, and I am inserting I am giving power supply. I am giving power supply to the Arduino of 5 volt. As you can see, it is on, and I am uploading this new code, which is of water pump, which is situated with given the output from 13th pin, and I am uploading it. When the humidity becomes less than 90, the water pump turns on. When the humidity detects the humidity which is more than 90, then the water pumps become off. And I am uploading it. The code is uploaded. Now as you can see, the water pump is also on. Now I am giving water to the pot, and it will detect, moisture will detect and automatically cut off the switch. And it detects the moisture and cut off the switch, as you can see. When the probe is removed from the soil which contains the moisture, and the water pumps automatically goes on. I am removing. When I insert it, and the water pump switch off, as you can see. Moisture, then the pump automatically goes off. This is our circuit. So it is the complete project demonstration of this circuit using soil moisture sensor and the water pump. And here is our project, the final code of this project. Thank you for watching us.